Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. We have been keeping you posted as to a civil action for money damages filed in federal court back on December 21st, 2022, that has a direct relationship to the catastrophic events that occurred at 1122 King Road on November 13th, 2022. That civil action was filed by Rebecca Schofield, naming Ashley Guillard as the defendant. Plaintiff Schofield is a University of Idaho professor who says that she was defamed by public statements, she says, are false, made by Ms. Guillard, described as an online personality on TikTok and also as a psychic. For such statements, Ms. Schofield alleges were defamatory, as that she had involvement in the events at 1122 King Road and also was involved in a romantic relationship with one of the students. Schofield has already won on liability because the court entered a partial summary judgment order in her favor as to liability. The only matter that is still pending to be resolved at the jury trial Schofield demanded, which is set to occur next month, February 2026, has to do with damages. What, if any, compensatory and also punitive damages, sometimes called punishment damages, should she be awarded, as well as the attorney's fees and costs she is seeking reimbursement of. There is a crucial deadline coming up next week or before, because the court ordered both parties together to file a document on or before January 30th, 2026, advising the federal judge whether this matter has settled or whether it will definitely proceed to trial. As we previously reported to you, Defendant Guillard, who was very active in the case, representing herself during the nearly first 3 years that this case was pending, up to September 23rd, 2025. That was the last date she filed anything in the case. And it was a reply to a response to her motion seeking to exclude 2 plaintiff witnesses from testifying at jury trial. Last filing she has ever made in this case. And looking at the docket as of this morning, the 22nd of January, 2026, almost 4 months from that last filing, nothing has changed. She has filed nothing in the case. There were a number of crucial pretrial deadlines that came and went in October, directing the filing of such matters as witness lists, exhibit lists, proposed jury instructions, proposed questions for the prospective jurors, motions in limine, trial brief. The plaintiff met all of those deadlines. The defendant did not, and has not to this date come forward and indicated if she is going to continue proceeding with this case. We are awaiting further developments with this deadline now pending of January 30th or before to learn if perhaps this case settled or if it will be going to trial, and if it may possibly be an empty chair trial where only the plaintiff will be before that jury arguing for compensatory damages, for punitive damages, for reimbursement of her attorney's fees and costs. We will continue to keep you posted as further developments arise. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.